how to use Instagram for your business. If you own an Instagram account, have you tried meddling with the Instagram for business in settings? Do you know how to use Instagram to help you grow your business? Do you know how to use Instagram to highlight your brand's mission and goals, feature your products, capture leads, and get sales? Changing your Instagram profile from personal to business use is as easy as 2 clicks. A business profile even gives you access to analytics, which means you can see statistics and demographics of your followers and your likes. This helps you to understand who your target audience is and what they like. But do you know how to truly utilize these numbers on your analytics? Hi guys, it's Sonia again and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discover some simple steps to utilize Instagram for a business, and by the end of this video, become a pro at it. I'm sure you guys have watched many other videos as well, but let us at least share with you the 6 basic steps to promote your business using Instagram. Before moving on, we have actually compiled a list of free image sources for you, as well as some UX open secrets to share with you. So open secrets because the rules are obvious, but we break those rules all the time. I have left the link down below so that you have instant access to them and you can implement these steps directly to your social media or website content. So, the 6 steps for you to master Instagram for your business. Step 1, optimizing your profile. So once you have created an account with Instagram, you will be prompted to create a personal and or a business profile. And this is where new followers will find out more about you, who you serve, and what your personality is like. And it's your chance to shine in 150 characters or less. Step 2, growing your community. Instagram is a social network, and that would mean active participation in the community is a must. What you want to be doing now would be to concentrate on finding and following the right people. For example, it could be influencers in your market or like your dream clients. Once you find these people, start conversations with them to begin building relationships. The ultimate goal for you, for all your interactions on social media platforms, is to get your online community to subscribe to your list so that you may have control over how you interact with them, obviously selling them your offers in the future. A common saying that marketers always preach is the money is in the list. And that is so true. So your list is your quote-unquote property that belongs to you, and you will be able to see the beauty and importance of it. Hashtags matter. Well, perhaps more than any other social network, Instagram relies on hashtags to sort and categorize content. Users who are interested in certain topics can follow certain hashtags, just as you might follow other users. You can put the power of hashtags to work for you by using a careful combinations of tags designed to get your content found and followed. The first type of hashtags to include are the popular or common ones. So for example, if you were sharing inspirational quotes, that might include inspirational quotes, inspiration, and quote. And this will give your content found by those who search on these broad topics. Not everyone in this group will be your ideal client, but that is okay. The second type of hashtags is to use those that are specific to your audience or niche, like podcasting, virtual assistants, business coach, and others like these are used less frequently, but will attract a much more targeted market. The third type of hashtags you want to use is basically just asking for a follow. These include follow, follow me, and follow for follow, among others. But I would suggest that you be careful when asking for a follow, because it might be a bot. Otherwise, this follow/unfollow game, the follower whom followed you might unfollow you once they have followed them. Well, at the end of the day, you might end up with the same number of followers when you started, or with fake, quote-unquote, trashy Instagram accounts that you definitely do not want. The next step, well, develop your brand. If you struggle with branding, you're not alone. This is one of those things that feels so murky and vague that it's difficult to pinpoint to. Is it a logo, the colors on a website, your tagline? It's probably all of those and more. Here's what you need to keep in mind when you think about your brand. Done well, branding makes every post, a photo upload, and social media update instantly recognizable as your own. It's what makes you you. The thoughtful use of language, colors, fonts, attitude, personality, and for photos, it means by being as consistent as possible with composition, style, filters, and other elements. The next step would be creating a content strategy. So when you use Instagram for your business, you may want to create a content marketing strategy. To do that, you gotta first determine how many times per day or week you want to post. Some people post once a week and some post several times a day. Whatever you decide, it's important to be consistent. Follow this guideline for content composition. Have a third of your post to be about your branding, a third sharing content from influencers or your users, and a third actually selling your product or service. So, branding, what do I mean by that? Help your followers get to know you as a brand. Include your values, mission, and your why. Sharing. So what do you want to share? This includes reposting from what your followers post and of course giving them credit. Followers love when you repost their images. It makes them feel validated and appreciated by your brand. If you repost influencers' images, that will help you to get noticed by them. Selling. So sales posts should not be pushy and should reflect your brand's personality. Use lifestyle photos of your products or services to show them how their lives would be improved with your product or service. Using a content strategy along with a content calendar can help you organize and help you lay out your content in such a way that benefits your business as well as your customers. A content calendar can be an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Doc, or a WordPress plugin for calendars. But there are also many content calendars available online. Just pick one. Then use it to map out your content based on your marketing and content strategy. So, last but not least, start or join a conversation. Social media is all about relationships. It's ultimately not about making sales or getting more followers or driving traffic. It's really about making a real connection with individual people. All of those other things, the sales and the traffic and the followers, are the results of the connection you make. And what's the easiest way to make a connection and build a relationship? Well, join or start a conversation by these actions. Like and share content that moves you. Give a shout out to those who inspire you. Follow the people who have something of value to say and share. Be one of the people who say, do, and share valuable things. In summary, well, Instagram is a social platform that you could be utilizing no matter what your product or service is. It's simple but powerful platform for getting engaged followers, targeted leads, and additional sales. By creating an Instagram business profile and using its many features, you will have another way to brand yourself with a whole new audience. These 6 steps that I have mentioned above are organic and may take some time. And yes, it can be a long and tedious process to grow your account. So, if you would like to take a little shortcut, a product plugin now, we would recommend this product for you, Ridgey, a brand new Instagram automation technology to tap into millions of Instagram users and drive laser targeted traffic for any offer in any niche. So this technology will help marketers to be a cut above the rest and automate their Instagram marketing campaigns just by following 3 simple steps of simply logging in, creating your campaign, and then driving traffic. So are we clear with the 6 steps for you to grow your Instagram organically? Well, if you don't want to follow the 6 steps, which is a little bit more time consuming, you can click on the link below for more product info, demo video, and exclusive bonuses we're prepared for you for this product. Thank you so much for listening and staying with me till the end. And please subscribe as usual to the channel, and we very much appreciate your support. So comment down below and let us know what type of other content you would like us to create to help you grow your traffic. So thank you so much once again, and see you on the next one.